Have you ever thought about what would happen if you ate an avocado daily? It seems like most people do not know about the nutritional benefits of avocados. Enjoy more videos by clicking the like and subscribe button. I would like to welcome you to our channel Living a Courageous Life, the place where you can find tips, tricks, and hacks that will change your life. Let's take a look at the 9 major benefits of avocado. Number 9. Avocados offer protection against cancer. Sounds like it's too good to be true, right? But it has been proven that carotenoids and monounsaturated fats, which diminish cancer growth, including breast and prostate cancers, are found in avocados. Studies from around the world have reported that avocados' organic compounds are lethal to cancerous cells. They promptly cause them to die. More research studies are also underway to assess the fruit's efficacy against certain cancer forms. So don't you want to enjoy the benefits right away with this info? Yeah, I know you do. You think that this advantage is awesome, right? Just wait for benefit number 1 on the list. Number 8. They make your kidneys more effective. Your mouth must be wide open right now, but avocados contain potassium, an essential mineral. This plays a major role in your body. It helps keep the fluid in your body at an appropriate level. That's exactly why kidney patients are advised to eat avocados. It's not suggested though if you have hyperkalemia. Avocados have a lot of potassium, so in case you have hyperkalemia, please stay away from avocados. Consult your doctor if there's any doubt. Number 7. Avocados lower your blood pressure. Yes, we have discussed potassium, right? Potassium has an immediate effect on your blood pressure, as it holds your fluids at the correct balance. Potassium successfully helps to prevent osteoporosis. Wondering if there's any research supporting that? There's tons of research. One of the studies carried out in Brazil's Espírito Santo Federal University's Department of Physiological Sciences has had very promising results. Lower systolic and diastolic blood pressure was found in people that have a diet rich in potassium. So, want to lower your blood pressure? Stick to avocados. Number 6. Avocados improve liver function. Wondering it's impossible, right? But guess what? Avocado is a friendly superfruit that can fix your liver problems. It produces glutathione in the body. For what? It has antioxidant properties which remove toxic substances from the liver. Vitamin C and E that team up against harmful radicals are also found in avocados. Plus, vitamin K and E are effective anti-inflammatory agents. See why your avocado should be your best friend? There's much more to it. Number 5. Avocados reduce your body weight. Avocados are filled with the goodness of dietary fiber. Fiber has this awesome ability to make you feel satisfied for a long period of time, as it's digested at a very slow rate in the body. As claimed by Dietary Guidelines for Americans, women only require 0.8 ounces of fiber per day, while men's bodies demand 2.6 ounces of fiber every day. With avocados in your diet, you will achieve this daily target. And on top of that, you do not even have to modify your diet. To achieve a greater effect, eat other fiber-rich foods like apples, strawberries, green beans, and sweet potatoes. To accomplish max results, throw in some exercise. I bet you'll love the results. Number 4. Avocados reduce cholesterol levels. According to a study carried out by scientists in Mexico, eating avocados on a regular basis can significantly lower the low-dense lipoproteins as well as triglycerides in the blood up to 22%. Also, it increases the good high-density lipoproteins up to 11%. I know it's a lot to take in. Fear not, I can explain. Triglycerides and cholesterol can both be cause of fatal heart disease. However, there's good news. Cholesterol has its types too. There's bad cholesterol called low-density lipoproteins, and then there's good cholesterol called high-density lipoproteins. Avocado makes sure that the level of good cholesterol in your body is increased and the level of bad cholesterol is lowered. The story gets better with each point, right? Number 3. Avocados make your breath fresh. Throw away the mouth fresheners. Avocados are here to give you a nice, refreshing breath. No matter if you have embarrassing bad breath due to indigestion or stomach problems, avocados can be the answer to all of your needs. The antibacterial and antioxidant properties in avocados are robust against bacteria in your mouth, and due to this, they give you an instant fresh breath. Also, avocados offer protection against oral cancer. According to scientists from Ohio State University, as avocados are enriched in nutrients that possess a powerful ability to destroy oral cancer cells. That's awesome, isn't it? Number 2. Avocado makes your skin beautiful. The goodness of avocado is not limited to your insides, as they work wonders on your skin too. Avocados are a great source of collagen and elastin and vitamin C that keeps your skin firm, elastic, and young. Not only this, avocados also contain vitamin E that has the property of a sunscreen and protects your skin from ultraviolet radiation. Wait, there's more. Avocados have a high number of omega-9 fatty acids too. These nutrients play a big role in moisturizing your skin. They make your skin soft by rejuvenating your skin cells and retaining the moisture in your epidermis. Number 1. Avocados make your eyesight better. Tired of spending too much time in front of your smartphone and laptop? Do you feel like your eyes are drained? Well, not anymore. Your overall health and your eyesight is what you eat. They are all connected. So, if you include avocados in your regular diet, you can be sure your eyes will cherish it. Avocados contain antioxidants including carotenoids known as lutein and zeaxanthin. These two are highly important in protecting your eyesight against the harmful blue light rays. According to a study done by researchers from China, it is now confirmed that increasing the intake of carotenoids can lower the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts. Sounds cool. Now that you got all the right facts, make avocados a part of your daily diet. Do not forget to mention any other benefits of avocado that you know of in the comment section below. Your health is important and maintaining it is fairly simple. Use these simple yet effective tips to stay happy, healthy, and fit. Share your thoughts about avocados in the comment section below and feel free to ask for advice. Do you love avocados? Of course you do. Who doesn't? Don't forget to hit the like button below the video, share with your beloved ones, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. And remember to always live a courageous life.